Hello everyone, welcome back to the Map of Mathematics YouTube channel. In this video we are going to solve an simultaneously polynomial equations, and we will find the values of a, b and c. So now we move toward the solution of this question, and the very first step we are going to do is here we see that these are the I can named this as equation number 1, and this is the equation number 2. Now we know that the triplet square root formula is we know that if we have a plus b plus c whole square, and when we open this triplet square, then we will obtain a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, here we have the values of a plus b plus c and a square plus b square plus c square. We substitute these values here, and we will obtain 15 square, and this is 75 plus 2 times of AB plus BC plus CA, and thus 15 square is equal to double to 5, and this is plus 75. When we take it in left hand side, it is minus 75, and we will obtain 2 times of AB plus BC plus CA. After that, when we subtract these two numbers, we will obtain 150, and here we get 2 times of this term as it is. So after that, when this 2 is divided by here, then we will obtain the values of AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 75, and I named this equation as equation number 3. So here we have three equations: a plus b plus c is equal to 15, and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 75. Also we have ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 75. So we know we see here that the equation number 2 and 3 are equal. By equation number 2 and 3, we can see that a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 75, as well as ab plus bc plus ca. These both equations are equal to 75, so we can see that these both equations are equal. So after that, we will make some simplification here, and I can just take it in the left hand side. So we write it as a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc and minus ca is equal to 0. Or also we can write it in this form. We can just take it common, minus sign common here. After that, I can multiply both sides by 2, and I will obtain 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 0. After that, we will just make some simplification, and I will rearrange all the terms. So I can write a square as a square plus a square, and I will write b square as b square plus b square in this form, and I will write c square as c square plus c square, and multiply this one, and we will obtain minus 2 times of ab minus 2 times of bc and minus 2 times of ca is equal to 0. Now we will make some simplification here, and I will arrange these terms. First I will arrange a square, b square and minus 2ab, and I will write in this form a square plus b square minus 2ab, and after that I will arrange the term b square and c square with minus 2bc, and I will write b square plus c square minus 2bc. After that, the remaining terms are combined. So the remaining terms are a square and c square, combined with minus 2ac, and I will write it as a square plus c square minus 2ca is equal to 0. Okay, so we can see here that this is the square identity, and we can write it as a minus b whole square, plus here we can write it as b minus c whole square, and this we can write it as a minus c whole square is equal to 0. And here we know that the famous rule of addition, and we know that if we have a square plus b square is equal to 0, then I can write it as a square is equal to 0 separately and b square is equal to 0. Okay, I can write this fact here, and I will obtain that a minus b whole square is equal to 0, and b minus c whole square is equal to 0, as well as a minus c whole square is equal to 0. These all terms we can take it separately equal to 0. So after that, this will becomes a is equal to 0, this term becomes b is equal to c, this will becomes a is equal, so this will become a is equal to b, this becomes a b is equal to c, and this becomes a is equal to c. And if we can see all the terms here, and we will obtain a is equal to b is equal to c. Okay, after that, in our question statement we can see that a plus b plus c is equal to 15, and here I can find the three variables are equal, a is equal to b is equal to c. So when we substitute this value in equation number 1, here a plus b plus c is equal to 15. So we know that a plus b plus c is equal to 15 when we substitute here a, because these three values are equal, so we can substitute any of number. We can substitute a here, or we can substitute b, and we can substitute c here. So we can obtain a plus a is equal to 15, and this will becomes 3a is equal to 15, and we will obtain a is equal to 5. So if we have a is equal to 5, and we know that a is equal to b is equal to c, so we will obtain b is equal to 5 as well as c is equal to 5. This is the our final claim or final values of a, b and c. And thank you so much for watching my video.